Stay on your front foot.
Yeah, it's like difficult to do.
You're golden. You got it. All right, guys. So today we're here with
Santi.
and he wants to learn how to do
Full cabs.
a full cab. Okay, so full cab is a fakie 360 going that way. Can we start out with just showing me where you're at? Like do ollie. Can you do the 180s, front side 180, back side 180?
Yeah, I'll start with the half cab. Ooh.
Yeah, good, half cab. Nice. Now the next prerequisite trick for this is backside 180. Can you back 180?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's good.
Do it.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Yeah. But that was good. That's almost exactly how you want to be able to do it too. Yeah. So essentially those two tricks, the fakie half cab, which is the fakie 180, and then the regular backside 180, we're basically going to combine those two. So you're rolling fakie and you're going this way. And then you know how you landed on your front foot on the back 180?
Gotta like revert
and you
it.
turned it? Yeah.
So
you can practice it like a little step at a time.
Okay.
See that?
Yeah.
You combine those two. Half cab, back 180. Oh, good! That was really good. That was really close. Okay, when you pop around, make sure your weight is really heavily focused on that front foot so that then you can do that drag.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta wait for it. Allow yourself to pop. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll show you.
What about my shoulders?
Yeah, I'll show you one. And watch my upper body and my shoulders as I turn around. So like, when you're rolling, you can like wind up like this and then throw your upper body and your shoulders, then pop.
So
then your
after
upper
my
body,
shoulders are past the board, then I pop.
Yeah, but just make sure you do get the pop. You can do like sort of a little phantom pop even.
Yeah.
But the key of all 180 or especially 360s is upper body, head and shoulders first. Oh yeah! Okay, that was good. Now if you do the exact same thing you did on the backside 180 with that rotation, you're golden. You got it.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Okay, when you turn, you're like popping here, and then your weight is really heavy this way, and you need to center it out a little better.
Lean back a little?
Yeah, like when you're going this way, you need to lean that way more.
Okay.
To like center the board underneath you better. Yeah, there it is. Okay, you had that. Okay, I'm gonna do one for you. Woo! Oh. Yeah, I think now you just got it.
Just a few tries and I got it?
Yeah.
It's that like revert that I struggle with.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But you do, okay, if you're struggling with the revert, go back and do a couple backside 180s and get the feeling of it, because it's really should feel the exact same. Yeah. And on the back 180, you can even like revert it on purpose, like. Yeah. Okay, so now with the full cab, it's the same thing. You're just literally like going like that.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it's like difficult to do.
Yeah.
Easier said than done.
Easier said than done, like all skateboard tricks. But you're right there. Yeah. Like that. Stay on your front foot. Yeah, right there. It's right there. I think if you commit going this way, you've got it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah. Do more of a rotation, like a real wind up on your head and shoulders.
Yeah.
And then really turn it even more before you pop. And then your
that?
focus is just on that pivot.
So unwind more than I'm already doing?
Yeah. Wind up more throw of the head and shoulders, and then really focus on pivot with that front foot.
Okay.
You're really close. Oh! What was that? It was so
I did not
good.
think I was gonna get that.
That was so good.
Oh my gosh.
Nailed it. I don't know if you heard him. He said, I did not think I was going to get that. But you did. You got it.
Oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
I've been trying that forever.
Really?
I've been trying that for like months.
Wow. It's good. I love that. Should we do 2 to make it true, or we end on a win?
I'll try.
It's up to you.
I'll try.
Oh! Okay, you got it now.
It's another trick in the bag.
Yeah, another trick in the bag. Do you want to do it?
I'll try one more. I'm tired.
It's up to you. If you don't, we can end it there.
Try one more.
Yeah.
That's good enough. I got it on camera too.
Yeah, you got it. The one you did was so good. It was like you popped it, you caught it, you landed, you did the pivot. It looked really good.
Yeah, I didn't. I was trying to revert it, but
yeah, you did revert. It's really good.
I guess.
It was really good. I wish I had it on my phone. I could show you.
Yeah. I'll see it later.
Yeah, you'll see it later. So what piece of advice do you feel like most helped that we could like really tell anybody who's watching this video that want to learn how to full cab?
Full cab, it's all on the front foot. I was focusing more on just like throwing my shoulders, hoping I get the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's more like balancing your weight on your front foot.
Yeah.
It's a lot more, I was just trying to force my way through it.
Yeah, nice. Once you have the skill and you have the little like technique of how to do it, it's not so hard, right?
Yeah, takes a minute, but I got it.
Awesome. All right, well, thanks for learning that trick. That was really cool. And I hope some of you guys out there get on your board, go outside, learn how to skate, and learn this trick. We'll see you in the next video.